Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this vid. Appreciate your support. This is a update to my Essential PH-1, a device that I originally had back during the holidays of 2017 for 450 smacks. Not bad. But this time around I got it for 309. Some of you 250 during Prime Day, which is, wow, a phenomenal price point. Months later, it's here. I'm having fun with it. Functionality, performance is 100% a thumbs up. Battery life, well, I've been using it a lot the last 3 days. Now, I got it last Friday, started using it on Sunday, and battery life on Sunday was about the same that it was on Monday. Today is Tuesday, and I have a screenshot to share with you. It was at full charge 8 hours ago, and I got 4 hours and a half screen on time. Sunday, Monday, and today, Tuesday, 4 hours, 33 minutes. That's basically what I've gotten the last 3 days, give or take. And for what I've been doing on my Essential, I've been testing it out. Now, I haven't put a lot of content up, but I've been doing a lot with it. Whether it's watching movies, listening to music, web browsing. Not a gamer, so I haven't been doing any gaming. Been testing the cameras as far as taking pics, shooting video. You will see a video coming soon. I got the Google camera APK on here, and I've taken some pictures with the Google camera APK and the stock camera here on the Essential PH-1. So you're going to see a pic comparison coming soon. Okay, so I've been doing a lot. I just haven't been creating content out of that. And that's why I've only gotten 4.5 hours of screen on time, because behind the scenes, I'm really digging into this device. Once I start using it moderately, I'm sure that that's going to go up another half hour, 45 minutes or so, because from what I'm seeing out there, and you know what, I hate comparing myself to others because there's so many variables that go into battery life, but it seems like the average for most out there is about 5.5, if I'm correct. Now, if you're getting something completely different, like if you're getting off the chart, like 6.5, 7 hour screen on, let me know down below. But again, it all depends on what you're doing. Okay. As far as when I'm testing any smartphone out, I'm usually creating a lot of content. I'm editing and then uploading that content right through my device itself. Any smartphones that I have and I'm using and reviewing, that I'm doing that. Outside of that, once the reviewing process is done, then I pretty much use my devices moderately. The smartphone right here shooting this video, the LG V20, that gets a lot of use when creating content. But that's why I picked it up. It's a phenomenal device. For any YouTuber out there that wants to start a channel and you want to use a smartphone to do it, get a hold of a V20, man. That being said, I reviewed a product a couple days ago, a case and screen protector, 2-for-1 for $7.99 from a company called Simicoo. The case is amazing. I love this case. It's got this black bumper all the way around the device, and it's got this see-through polycarbonate back, which has these two cutouts right here, which allow the back to breathe. You ever notice on some of these clear cases, they tend to sweat moisture in there, condensation. Those cutouts eliminate that, and I really like that. So it came with the screen protector, which only has adhesive on the outer part of the display. So where all the black is where the adhesive is. It does not adhere to the screen right here, and it fell off. Garbage. Okay, thumbs down, but thumbs up with the case. $7.99. Is it still worth it? Yeah, man. You can try the screen protector, but for the case for $7.99, yeah, I'd still buy it. Totally. But remember, you need a backup case that has a cutout for the 360 cam. The other thing I wanted to show you was OnePlus. There's some leaks out there with the upcoming OnePlus 6T. Now, whether OnePlus has anything to do with this or not, these are leaks, these are rumors, We don't know if they're all going to be true. But this is the cool part. I like the teardrop, the water drop, whatever they call that. The camera up there looks like the Essential. See that? At the bottom, it looks like an in-display fingerprint on the OnePlus 6T. Again, these are leaks. These are rumors. How true all of this is, I don't know. But it looks really good, doesn't it? So if this is true, we're going to get a notch that's going to be pretty small. I really like the shape of that. Again, reminiscent to the Essential. And an in-display fingerprint sensor. And that's going to be coming to T-Mobile. Pretty stoked about that. Let me know what you know. Lengthy video update on the Essential PH-1 performance functionality. Again, thumbs up. Cameras still need some help. But again, I'm not going to be using this device to vlog a lot with. I'm going to be giving you a video pic comparison with the Google Camera APK, and as you can see them both right there, and the stock camera, the Essential PH-1. Speaker, great. I really dig the speaker. Give you a quick sample. I don't want to get myself in trouble here. I'm going to tell you, that one little speaker down there kills it. I like the audio quality. I really do. So as far as visually on this display, 5.7 inches, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Ceramic, titanium. I wish more devices were built like this. And I understand a lot of you want water resistant devices. You want wireless charging. But you know what? I'm one of those guys as an average consumer that really wouldn't mind if that wasn't there, to have a build like this on a lot of devices. That ceramic, that titanium. I mean, it's a little heavy, but it's just solid. It feels great. I'd love to see this more on devices. But again, it would take certain areas away. So anyway, long video, just me vlogging it up, sharing some updates, sharing some rumors and leaks, and sharing an update on a product that I brought in that, well, half of it worked, half of it didn't. More to come. Thanks for watching. I'm out.